Okay, today we are talking about the 12 attributes of highly performant teams, teams that are really delivering and working well together. And you'll notice that the first 6 are related to a sense of direction and having a map and a direction in which everybody is pulling. All right, so the first 6 are all about having a compass. So the first is mission. So you'll notice here I've got 2 acronyms, MAP and GPS. So the first is a sense of mission. We have a clear, understood mission that determines how we contribute to the organization and it inspires us. Autonomy is all about being able to have some degree of independence so you can influence and shape your plans and destiny. So the team decides together how we want to work. Yes, someone else may provide the goals, but the team is able to have some sense of autonomy and decide how they work. Principles then is having an agreed set of behaviors, values, and ways of working processes that are explicit and are reflected in the behavior of the team. So that's the map. And then the GPS is the team delivers consistently on their goals and delivers value, and they can measure that. They are able to prioritize and make decisions, so they have some methodology which is reliable and measurable in order to prioritize what they do in order to deliver the highest value. And they are also self-organizing. So this GPS, it's the way they navigate, and so they are able to collaborate closely towards common goals. No single person is more valuable, and they all work together. Okay, so they're the first 6 attributes of a highly performant team. And this 6th point is really important. A self-organizing team needs some sort of system to inform how everybody behaves on the team, and that's what points 7 to 12 cover. Okay, so this first 6 is all about having a clear vision, being able to prioritize, everybody rowing in the same direction, and so you're either supporting the vision or you're supporting division. Okay, and then the second is all about a system. So think of the body as a system, and the cells of the body know what their job is, and they all contribute to the overall health of the body. Okay, so self-organizing team is very similar to the human body. Okay, so point 7 is all about trust and safety. Okay, the team feel safe to be themselves, share thoughts, including constructive conflicts. Dependable. Okay, so each part of the team is dependable and you can rely on one another. So when you say you are going to make a commitment to the team, then you deliver on that and the team holds you accountable. Transparent, so all parts of the team, the body, know what the other parts are doing and they communicate, so at any time anyone can see clearly what the team is working on. A sustainable pace. Okay, so it doesn't break down and we're working at a pace that is sustainable. Okay, so each team member is well and has time to think ahead, room to experiment, to explore, that sort of thing. Number 11 then is feedback. The team is able to constructively provide feedback, positive and negative, in order to enable point 12, which is continuous improvement. That is built-in learning. So you as a team have rituals and ways of giving feedback so that you continuously improve, just like the body self-heals. Okay, because it's very clear that none of us is as smart as all of us together. So they're the 12 attributes of a highly performant team, and you can translate them into a team health check very easily, and we're going to cover that in another video.